Attention, WhatsApp users! A new feature is coming that will help protect your privacy and make your account safe. To enable it, go to Settings. Once you are in Settings, tap on Privacy to see all your privacy options. Then, scroll down carefully until you find the Advanced section and tap on it. In this section, you will see a new option called Strict Account Settings. Tap on this option and then click Next to continue. WhatsApp will then show you a detailed list explaining exactly what this feature does. It will automatically block unknown media, silence random calls, stop link tracking, restrict group invites, and more. Once you have reviewed all the options and agreed, tap the Turn On button to activate the feature. This feature is very helpful because instead of having to change many different settings one by one to stay safe, you just turn on this one option and WhatsApp automatically secures your account.